All right, guys, welcome back to Geography with Jason. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'd really appreciate it. And today I'm going to be doing the countries of Oceania. And I'm not going to lie, I pretty much know none of these. So I can probably name 4, but there's only 14, so I'm not too worried about it. But let's get started. Australia, that's the one I know. And then New Zealand. Papua New Guinea, I believe, right? Is that all I really know? You know what? I'm going to have to give up. Palau. I believe this is actually a new country. It's UA. Solomon Islands. I've heard of these places. I just don't know where they are. Fiji, of course. Kiribati. Tuvalu. Nauru. I think I've heard of that. Samoa I've heard of. Tonga I have not. Vanuatu I've heard of it maybe once. Marshall Islands I've heard of. Okay, I've never heard of Kiribati. There's quite a few islands there. Do they own this whole sea section? Anyways, I think I can actually, since I've actually heard of a lot of those places, I think I can actually do a lot better this time. So it might be fairly quick, actually. Wait, did I not spell that right? Is it UA? Okay. Micronesia, Marshall Islands was in there. I know it was like Vanuatu or something. Vanuatu. Yeah. Fiji. Was it Togo? No. Kiribati. Yep. Solomon Islands. I don't know where these are located, really, though. That's the thing. I just remember the names. Oh, we got 9. That's a lot better from 2. Palau, Nauru, Tuvalu, Samoa, and Tonga was the one. Togo is a country in Africa. Tonga, was it? Yeah. Solomon Islands, which is here? No, here. Nauru? Oh my gosh, what was that one? This might be tougher than I thought. Nauru, Kiribati, Tuvalu, Samoa. Okay, let's try again. Nauru, Kiribati, Samoa is there, right? It's here, and then Tonga is here. Fiji, I believe, is here, right? Yeah, Solomon Islands, where are those? Here. Fiji's, oh, I said that. Marshall Islands, I'm guessing, are here. I mean, I could do this, but I know for sure. So, I don't know these, though. What are these? Oh, Micronesia, Palau, Vanuatu, Tuvalu. Okay, so those are the ones I really need to focus on. All right, so Micronesia. Let's play. Micronesia, Palau, Tuvalu is there, right? Fiji is here. Are these Solomon Islands? No. Let's see. Kiribati is this big one. Marshall Islands are here. What am I missing? Tonga's here. This would be Vanuatu. And I have 2 left, but I don't know what they are. 2 left that I just don't know. Nauru, of course, and Samoa. And then I could have easily gotten the rest. Nauru and Samoa. Okay. Let's try again. Nauru, Samoa, Tuvalu, Kiribati, Fiji. This is Solomon Islands? No, it's over here. Vanuatu's here. What is this one? Oh, Tonga is there. So Tonga, Fiji, Vanuatu, Solomon, Nauru, Tuvalu, Samoa. Okay. So Nauru, Tuvalu, Samoa. This is Tonga. This is Fiji. Solomon Islands. This is Marshall Islands. This is Kiribati, Micronesia. Oh, Vanuatu is here. And then, oh, if I had this one, I would know. Oh, wait. No. Wait. Nope. Palau. That's right. Let's start with that one then. Palau, Micronesia. This one is... I don't know why I'm trying to blank. Marshall Islands. This one is Kiribati. Here is Tuvalu. Nauru is here. And then we have... Oh my gosh. The funny thing is, like, you study one and then you forget the other. Samoa. All right. So I'm going to start here. Samoa, Tuvalu, Nauru, Kiribati, Marshall Islands, Micronesia, Palau, and then I don't know what this one is. Well, here's Solomon Islands, right? Below that. No, this is Solomon Islands. Okay, Fiji, Tonga, and... Ooh, I think I forgot this one in the past, too. Samoa... no, that's already done. Vanuatu. No, I never get that wrong. It's just because I don't know where it's at. Vanuatu. Solomon Islands is to the left. Fiji's to its right. And then more right is Tonga. Samoa's above. Oh, come on. I'm trying to think already. V... It starts with a V, doesn't it? No, it has a V in it. Tuvalu and Nauru. Wow. Nauru. All right, I was wrong. This is taking much longer than I thought. Samoa, Marshall Islands, which is over here. Let's go down here. Vanuatu, Fiji, Solomon Islands, Tonga, Micronesia, Palau, Papua New Guinea. Am I missing one? Oh, Kiribati. Didn't see that. Australia, New Zealand. Hey, that wasn't too bad. It took me a little while to get to 100%. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. It helps me be motivated to make more videos, and it helps out the YouTube algorithm as well. Anyways, if you enjoyed this quiz, go ahead and look out for more videos. And if you have any questions or you just want to say something, go ahead and leave it in the comments below.